everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we have today our Deepti. She's a hairstylist, she works with me, and so we're gonna do a never have I ever video today. So hope you like this, and let's get in the video. So Deepti, ask your first question.
Okay. So never have I ever forgot CTM on your client's skin.
I have.
I have to.
Did you ever?
Yeah.
Without CTM?
Exactly.
Makeup cannot stay without CTM.
I
man.
know. I ruined it.
Next question is, never have I ever skipped doing my full face makeup on my clients with my hands.
Seriously?
Yes, I have.
Never.
ऐसा नहीं हुआ कभी?
नहीं हुआ. I mean, like, yeah, once I forgot my like blending brush and the eye brush. और मैंने I did but not fully.
Okay, great. मैंने किया ऐसा.
Next question is, never have I ever lied about my price to the client.
I have.
Me too. See, it's a thing, I think.
I तो feel like you should always,
Yeah.
categorize your clients.
Yeah.
So you cannot just tell all the prices to one and the next to the
The
other.
one shot, yeah. I
Right.
agree.
Okay, next is, never have I ever did a groom's makeup.
I have.
I also have.
Yeah.
Properly, grooms are like these days.
Yeah.
They book for themselves. They are very particular about the looks and everything.
Everything, yeah.
Everybody, I guess, their own taste and.
And
opinions.
nowadays, it's a thing,
Huh,
They
obviously.
also want to be look good.
Why can't just boys have all the fun?
The next question is, never have I ever spent 50K on makeup.
At once.
At once you did?
Yes.
I cannot. Seriously.
Initially, when I was just creating my vanity with the studio,
Yeah.
at that time I spent like near around 50 or 60K
see,
in one go.
It's,
In one go.
but not 50K, na.
नहीं, near around 50K and 60K in
Oh,
one go.
okay.
Initially, when I was building my own vanity
Nice.
at that time.
Nice.
After that, I can never. It's like मेरा कलेजा बाहर आ
Never. Seriously.
Next question is, never have I ever messed up with a client on her big day. Like the bride.
Like the bride.
Yes,
Oh
I
my
have.
God. Never. See, because with the makeup, are you saying, or like
Makeup, obviously.
makeup? Huh?
So have you ever done with like messed up with any hairstyle on her big day?
No, seriously.
Okay,
Never.
I thought.
So the next question is, never have I ever my bride bitched with me about her in-laws.
Mine though every time.
Same.
Whenever I go to the place, bride started cribbing like anything. It's like कि उन्हें कोई मिला नहीं आज
मिला
सुबह
नहीं,
से
और सब निकाल देंगी यहीं।
we are the person
हाँ।
और उन्हें पता है कि उसके अलावा हम चले जाएंगे यहाँ से तो उनकी स्टोरी सारी यही
रह जाएगी और वो
Exactly.
कोई
That's what we
सुनेगा
do.
ही नहीं। और सीरियसली, और मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं ये इम्पोर्टेंट होता है फॉर द विद द ब्राइड, बिकॉज उसको ना इतना ज्यादा नर्वसनेस होता है.
So next question is, never have I ever shout on my bride when they scratch their makeup on the face. I have.
Seriously? You
Yes.
tell me.
Okay, so I always literally shout कि भाई आप जब मेकअप कंप्लीट हो चुका है उसके बाद भाई टचिंग योर फेस इफ यू आर हैविंग सम इशू एंड सम इचिंग प्रॉब्लम जस्ट टेल अस वी आर देयर टू असिस्ट यू मैम. नहीं नखून उन्होंने लगवाए होते हैं उसकी वजह से
स्क्रैच कर देते हैं एंड फिर लाइक यहाँ पे केक
यहाँ पे नहीं यहाँ पे कुछ लगा हुआ है अरे हटा दिया लगा हुआ है.
Remove your makeup, man. So the next question is, never have I ever slept with my makeup on.
I don't never. No. I cannot. As a makeup artist,
I did once or twice. Like I did.
As a makeup artist, I cannot sleep with my makeup.
Even like
I'm
you
down.
should not. Actually, we should not. But the thing is, there is some chances, you know.
मेरे साथ ऐसा कभी भी नहीं हुआ. अगर मैं रात को 3 बजे भी नींद में भी हूँ तो मैं हमेशा अपना मेकअप रिमूव करके ही सोती हूँ. कुछ भी हो जाए किसी भी सिचुएशन में आई कैन नॉट स्लीप.
नहीं, I just
मुझे नींद नहीं आती.
once or twice, I think, and early morning, you know well.
Oh yeah, right.
The dramatical skin.
I hope you all enjoyed my video.
And if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.